So have you created the folder structure? What I'm trying to do is here, like I'm about to create what check what happening in this. Right. So I'm creating the entire application with the agentic agile process. It handles the vibe coding and creating the Marvish app where it deals with the IoT process, and it is a management UI which is related to the Marvish app. So now I have created the user table, and let's see. Okay, I'm giving a command now. Now this user table, like sign up. In the case of sign up, we will use this in the sign up use UI. We will use these tables. Like, can you show me the table, user table, and put a checkbox checkbox, and which are required to show in the sign up. Here user ID, username, password, confirm password, like user type ID, description, ID is active, created it, updated, right? User ID is phone or email. Okay, fine. And yeah, now see here, what I have given is like I'm checking that this is show is a sign up on the column. It automatically will create, but I'm checking before that. So checking is the most important thing, and let me create. Remember that, like you need to prepare the module related to the sign up. Create a user module. Under that, the sub module is sign up. So whichever we are doing, that information need to be logged. So but first we will create the implementation. Now in the case of implementation, you need to create uh, what pattern we will implement, like we have sign up and view model, and in the case of view model, after the business layer if anything, and in the case of business layer, then repository layer, and from the repository layer you will connect to the database. This is the structure. Can I have structure show to me? Like what I'm trying to ask, like I have created multiple agents which is executing this process. It's not like taking a command. You don't think it is taking a command and doing. I created multiple agents, and those agents is taking care. Such a way I have designed and architect. So I trained like that. I have make it trained like this process automatically take cares. It's not only taking the one decision. Behind this is multiple agents is handling. And now I can see here it is a full layered structure. Okay, view and building view model, and calls the business layer. Okay, and repository layer and database. So sign up exists, already exists, it's not exist, it is kind of a list is preparing. Can I, yeah, log this in the case of a module design. I mean database is different mod logging, and architecture implementation is this is a code implementation. We can say it is a technical design document. Log into the technical design document under the sign up module, And before that, what are the design patterns we can use? Can I have a list of design patterns? So I am asking about the list of design patterns. So because in future we'll follow the same structure. So MVVM, view model, and notify change, repository pattern, abstract DB service layer pattern, all the business rules, okay, dependency injection, okay, singleton database, okay, command pattern, okay, observable pattern, view model notice state, okay, interface single segregation, okay. Okay. Yeah, now a technical design document and a functional design document, update accordingly in the document section. If any change, then we will update later. So now I have given a proper command to create that, and it will take care preparing the document. After that, it will, anyway I will check. I will check the document, and then I will go for the execution process. I don't want to code. My aim is I don't want to code here. I want to organize. I need to prepare a one complete application with the complete IoT application, enterprise IoT application. You can say IIoT, Industrial Internet of Things. So now I have given my proper sign up details. Then I will go for the remaining things. Let's see. Just while I'm coding, just I'm learning machine learning, deep learning, and because I need to incorporate artificial intelligence into the Internet of Things. So I already learned, and just I'm practicing things. I'm working on the remaining structure. So just I'm looking that because it is anyway progress. Okay. I'm asking like, have you created? Have done? So we'll see. So this way we like see here your now I'm about to go to the code implementation. Implement the sign up CRUD operations, create, retrieve, update, delete. We'll do one thing, like CRUD operations, it is not possible right away. So we'll do one thing. Anyway, sign up, we have a login page and sign up page. First we'll apply for the sign up. That means you are creating the user. So only we will focus on the create, but plan for the CRUD operations. You understand, right? Then later we will apply retrieve, update, delete in the admin section. That is we will do later. What is our plan now? Can I have a table of the plan? Okay, so in the document section, technical design document, functional design document, we can say this is plan of action. Like can we put the name, can we put this as a plan of action? So what is the best name for this? It is a plan of action document, or can I have a name of the document so that we'll maintain, and once we implement it, then we will delete this. So now let's implement the sign up functionality, and let me know once you are done, and execute. Once you are done, just execute. It will start working on that. Now this entire development process has done. It executed, and I'm able to see the login page. This login page, we have a sign up, whichever the functionality got implemented in sign up only. Here you can see user ID, name, description is optional, and account type, user, and password, and confirm password. And confirm user ID, phone or email, name, description, account type. Okay, now why unnecessarily here user admin? Like we'll create a user type, that once we create the user type, then uh, instead of applying the mark values, create a user table. Let's see, we'll see. And wait for me. Just in the case of the you have posted on our SQL side schemas, this is the implementation. I need databases. No. In the case of apps, you have apps. Let me wait. I am checking for the database that I will show you whether it is created properly or not. Repositories are created, and platform, it's a kind of a not Android, a Windows application. Now in the case of Windows application, manifest, let's ask them why unnecessarily wasting our time. Can I have a SQLite database path so that I will check whether you have properly created the table or not? Let's see. Let me open. I have opened already DB browser for SQLite. Then we will check here. It is fetching for the data, I mean database path, SQLite path. We'll see. Now I'm about to create a user type table. No, not this. Wait. Now we are about to create a user type table. Can I have it details so that I will check whether it is properly, we are properly creating or not. Just I am checking. So you don't think like this is normal directly creating? Again, I am mentioning that as I am an architect and as I have a good amount of experience on in the case of Azure and Azure integration and AI and REST APIs and other UI layers, UI tools like Angular and Bishop integration and data integration and big data process. I have a complete idea so that I could able to easily identify where it fits. Now come back to this, like user type table, type ID, type name, description, is active, created date, updated date time. Yes, type ID, user type ID. Okay. Type ID, type name, description is active. Yes. Now you can go with, yeah, create a user type table. And I hope if anything required in the case of sign up process, use this. And defaultly you create you would create like admin user type and admin type, and provide a associated description and make it those two active. If anything in future, then we will add, but default you can create that because we need this table in the sign up process, right? And create the table and implement incorporate with the sign up and create a schema design document. Whoever is handling the design document and parallelly let them create and schemas related to this, create a schema related to that. Yeah, please go ahead and once you are done and execute that. I'm searching for the SQLite folder path. Let me check. CV then zip command will work. Let me check that. So now we have team has created agent team has created application. Now you can see here it is login, and we can log in two ways. One is the 4-digit pin and login. Now what I'm trying to do is sign up, user ID. Just I will put user ID. You can put name, I mean email ID and name Vishnu, description hi, account type user, password, it's a very secret password, 1 2 3 4. Go to login. Like actually I have expected this. When I click, it has to log in this 1 2 3 4. Like it has to log in like this. So it is completely built by team. I will completely build this application. I will post in the next section related to the sign up and login. Once I am done with the login, sign up, then I will implement remaining things.